Hey guys, I'll be making homemade pizza with tortilla wrap. This is a literally quick and easy 20-minute meal, so we're gonna get started. Alright guys, so as you can see, that sauce was very quick and easy to make, so we're gonna go ahead and move on to our toppings. Alright everyone, so it's time to make some pizza, and I'll be using my toaster oven. You can also use your stovetop, or if you wish you can use your regular oven if you do not have a toaster oven. So basically what I'm doing here is just taking some butter and basting the foil paper because I do not want it to stick. And then we're gonna add our wrap here, and then we're gonna baste it with our sauce and add our toppings. Alright guys, so once I'm finished with the topping, I'm gonna pop this in the toaster oven. My oven goes up to 250 degrees, so I'm gonna have this in for around 15 minutes, and that's enough time for the cheese to be melted. Alright guys, so this is how I made my homemade pizza, and remember, you can make it your own. You can add any toppings that you like, add all of your favorites. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Bye!